How to send fake snap on Snapchat without media upload. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send fake snaps on Snapchat without media upload. Now what I mean by that is when you try to send an image from your gallery on your Snapchat, trying to send it as a snap, you can only send it or upload it using media upload. Now if you don't want that to happen, there are a few tricks. So the first thing that you can do is simply open up your Snapchat, swipe up,
How
then
to
select
send
a
fake
picture that
snap.
you want to send. So let's say, let me go to the camera roll. Let's say this black image is the one that I want to send. Now, if I tap on the edit option right here, tap on edit, and if I start editing this and make changes, add some stickers or stuff, and then tap on send and send it, it just goes as a snap. Now you can just check, but this goes as a photo in the DMs, not exactly as a snap. So to not let that happen, what you can do is you can head over to your Photos app, to the photo that you want to send, tap on the three dots on the top right, tap on copy, and then go back to your Snapchat. Now take a picture. Now what you can do is you can actually paste the picture that you copied, set it however you'd like, and then send it. And with this technique, as you can see, this goes as a snap. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.